DEVONthink versus Paperless NGX. So in this 2025 review, I will share which one truly helps you manage your documents better. So make sure to like and subscribe. Let's begin with DEVONthink. It's a Mac-only knowledge management app known for AI-assisted organization, OCR scanning, and deep document research, which is ideal for researchers and power users. On the other hand, Paperless NGX is a cross-platform document manager focused on scanning, tagging, and organizing receipts, PDFs, and files for home or office use. Next is their interface and user experience. DEVONthink feels academic, more complex but powerful. It's like a second brain if you use it fully. While Paperless NGX is more user-friendly and faster to set up, even more for beginners. Next is their features. DEVONthink has AI-based suggestions, smart groups, and deep integration with macOS. While it's perfect for linking research, notes, and scanned docs. While Paperless NGX focuses more on batch scanning, auto-tagging, and simple categorization, which is great for taxes, receipts, and personal filing. Lastly is their price. DEVONthink is a one-time purchase starting around $99, while Paperless NGX subscription-based but cheaper monthly. So for final verdict, you can use DEVONthink if you are a Mac user needing a deep research organization, and you can use Paperless NGX if you're managing household or office docs in a straightforward way. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.